Hey everyone, welcome to this video. This video might be the last video of the series. So we're going to talk about more customization. Though in the previous video we talked about customizing fonts in our Tailwind project, and customization process will not differ from the previous video as we extended our own design in Tailwind configuration file. The same way today we will extend some more configurations here. For your comfort, let's talk more about customizing colors, screens in this way, and everything you can customize. If you just check the documentation, you'll get a customization section and configuration section, and you will see that in that tailwind.config.js file you have much more data than the one that we have here. That is just to show you that this is how you can customize this section. For example, colors are written here, the font family written here, and under that you have this extend section, which we have here, our extend section. So as is to show you that we have these configurations, but if you want to extend them or make your own configurations, you have to use this extend portion, and inside this extend object you can customize your own utility classes. Let's do for some, though we have done for the font family, and let's suppose we want to add a new screen size. We have the small screen for like 640px, we have the medium screen, large screen, XL screen, and 2XL screen, but we want some more screens or one more screen, for example, for a tiny screen size 340px, like. So we have to add the screens object here, and inside this we can just write our own screen size. For example, name it as you want to use XS, extra small screen, and give it a value, for example 340px. And now our Tailwind file is having 5 or 6 screen sizes. We have the XS, we have the small, we have the medium, we have the large, we have the XL, and we have the 2XL. So 6 screens because we extended one more screen to it. Let's try to use it in our file. For example, we had our project as configured for the 5 screens. We can just see it in while inspecting. You can see the dimensions here. Let's see when we get below 640, below the small screen, so we get one column, because we have mentioned in our HTML that if it is for the very tiny screen you have to give grid calls 1. That is, now that we have added another screen like XS, we can just write it as well. For the below XS or extra small screen, you can use grid calls one grid item or display one grid item, but for the extra small screen, which is the minimum width is 340px, for that you have to use 2 grid columns. So we can just say grid calls 2. So yeah, let's save it and see here in our first, let's say in our public, and so we can see that 340px is created, and in our HTML, let's refresh. Though it is below the small screen, but it is just showing 2 columns because we have mentioned that the minimum width, while the minimum width is above 340, so just create 2 grid columns, and we got that here. And if we move below 340, then we will get 1 column because our very default grid column level is 1. That was for the screens. And if we come to colors, we can add colors as well. Just give a comma after the screens and just say colors, and open the object and curly braces, and inside that, let's say we'll define gold color. Gold color is not defined, I think gold, now like light, or let's reverse the name, light gold. And for the light gold, let's define color of like red, no gold. Let's find some color from here, no, this one. Okay, let's say here, and let's see if it is, yeah, let's check it for the light gold. Let's copy it and just paste it in our and another color, let's define dark gold. So we'll just get our value should be like dark, and let's move it to here. Let's save it and let's copy and paste it here. Light gold text, that this will be like text light gold. Let's use it or check it out whether we can use it or not. Like text gold light, text gold dark, or we can just let's see if we can do it for the background. BG gold dark or gold dark. Let's save it and just check it here. We did not get anything. Let's cut it from here and put somewhere that we have the background color here instead of this one. So let's see, yeah, we got the gold dark. And if we try for the BG dark light gold, let's save it, and yeah, we got the light one as well. So this way we can customize each and everything. If we wanted some font size, so we got the font family, we can the same thing, add font size and border radiusness or spacing. If you want to extend, we can do everything. This was all for this crash series, and hope you have got something. Kindly share this series with your friends, and if you have got any questions, share it or ask it in the comment section. Thank you very much.